Hello, my name is Erica Kennedy, and I am a Master of Public Health student at George Mason University with a concentration in epidemiology. I plan on using my degree to become a chronic disease epidemiologist. This is a professional who studies and analyzes the patterns and determinants of health conditions in defined populations. As an epidemiologist, I will focus on the social determinants of health of specific populations. Social determinants of health are the conditions and the environments in which people are born, live, play, work, and learn, and they affect quality of life and health outcomes in populations. Some examples include safe housing in neighborhoods, health quality, education and job opportunities, access to nutritious foods, and air quality. These determinants are responsible for health inequities of people born into poverty or under-resourced communities and result in unfair and avoidable differences in health statuses. As a current graduate research assistant at George Mason University, I participate in a longitudinal cohort study which aims to improve understanding of the natural history and determinants of young adult physical health, mental health, and college completion. To coincide with this study, I applied for a summer 2021 grant and ended up receiving funding in the amount of $57,000 almost to examine the behavioral, social, and psychological implications of COVID-19 on under-resourced and underrepresented undergraduate students. Through this research project, I will uplift society by learning about the unnatural health inequities of social determinants of health on undergraduate students and implement the knowledge that I learn into my epidemiologic interventions in the future in order to foster community wellness and awareness of increased disease prevalence in specific populations. I envision shaping society by reducing health disparities through engagement, advocacy, and service delivery in hard-hit communities. My interventions will create awareness of highly prevalent health outcomes in under-resourced and underrepresented communities, thus shaping society by imparting important public health information to vulnerable populations. With increased public health knowledge in the community, we will all be healthier, brighter, and more active, thus creating a brighter future for everyone. Thank you.